Hello everyone. Our topic for today is ICT kill zone. Before this, we finished Malaysia SNR and the market structure we have finished. And we finished liquidity pyramid theory now. Now we have arrived at the topic of the ICT kill zones. Alright, ICT kill zone. Why do we need this? We need it for disciplined trading. Meaning you won't enter whenever you want, enter a trade, and just sit in the minus. Per day, after the Asian session, you will trade only once and that's it. You trade once and that is it. You're allowed a maximum of 2 trades. If with this ICT kill zone you do not work, it will be disorganized trading. Your trading psychology will be ruined and the number of your trades will increase significantly. This is going to lead to you not being profitable in the end. Meaning this ICT kill zone is disciplined trading. Per day, exactly at this one time, you enter a trade and you exit. The ICT kill zone. This from 4 to 7 o'clock time intervals range, meaning liquid liquidity. You can see it. This is Asia, Asian kill zone. Meaning this range is the Asian range, high and low. When the Asian session and the Asian low close and the London session opens, the Asian session works for us as liquidity in our trading calculations, meaning the Asian session's high and low. The market after taking the high, if we have based on Malaysian SNR, our kill zone occurring, meaning if our K level is occurring. Asia low, the market moves to the liquidity. It's exactly the same in an uptrend too. Asia low and Asia high. If it takes the Asia low, it moves to the high. If it takes the high, it moves to the low. For this, of course, we will need a key level based on Malaysian SNR. In other words, if it has already swept the low, then we should have our key level based on the Malaysian SNR strategy. If there is no key level, and those key levels are becoming invalid, we do not trade. We don't use it. The market doesn't move from high to low, and of course a breakout. This also has its purpose, its own topic. You can see it. I mean, if the market forms a breakout before the Asian session, the market won't move to the high without taking a low. We don't trade from this, and we enter a trade by joining the trend. I mean, a market that has broken out. And after the Asian session closes, London opens, and the London session needs to sweep this low. After sweeping the low, we draw a Fibbo level. from that high to the low, and the 0.5 zone and 0.33 zone, or the 0.25 zone. I mainly use the 0.25 zone now. Just like that, the market gives a breakout and sweeps the low. After sweeping the low, we draw a Fibo. From the 0.5 and 0.33 zones, we look for a key level. It must be a key level based on Malaysian SNR or an inducement. Breakout. P level. A key level, or mainly after the 0.5 zone, there is an inducement. As the market moves, after the inducement, if it takes the inducement, or if it's a key level based on Malaysia, entering a trade with a confirmation up to the external range liquidity, we will make a trade. This session's high and low might also become liquid. And of course, even if the market confirms, when will this situation happen? Look. A breakout occurred. So there is a sell confirmation. If, when London opens, meaning after Asia closes, it sweeps this low, and we, based on Malaysia from the key level, can take a sell trade. Or after the market gives a sell confirmation after London opens, without sweeping the low if it's going to move toward the high. We from around here, looking for a key level based on Malaysia, will trade down to the low. Exactly like that. Meaning, the market, if it gives a confirmation, after giving a confirmation, and here is the breakout, which means it is a breakout for a sell. And after the Asian session closes, London has not swept the low. Since it didn't sweep the low, and the market is going to sweep the high. Inducement or key level, getting a confirmation from these. Asia's low liquidity, we can trade down to it. Buy. In a buy trend, it's exactly the same. Liquidity sweep. And a breakout. And the Asia kill zone after it closes. London will sweep the high. Meaning the trend, if it's a buy in the London session, this high must be reached. And after reaching the high, we have 0.5 and 0.33 or 0.25 zone. From these exact zones, we will look for a key level. The key level will mainly be an inducement. Liquid, after sweeping the liquidity, the market moves again. Here, this might be an inducement. This might be an inducement. Key level. inducement. Always. After this 0-5 zone, there must be an inducement. And once the market reaches our designated zone, we can definitely execute a trade with confirmation up until it reaches the external range liquidity. In other words, we can effectively join the prevailing trend. Let's take a look at this on a real chart. Right here, this gray zone represents the Asian session. That is, I have an indicator for this. This market profile jowl, I use this indicator just to see the Asian session. If you install this for yourselves, it'll be more convenient. Asia, Asian session, Asian high, and also the Asian low. Before this Asian session, the market had a breakout. Liquidity sweep breakout. And the market, after taking out this Asian high, if it takes out this Asian 1, we draw Thebo.
Everything will be fine.
If the trend is on a buy from the low to the high, and between these 0-5 and 0-2-5 zones, we need to look for a key level. Alright, look. Trend is on a buy. If, after taking out the Asian high, we could have worked on a buy from the 0-5 zone. But the market didn't give such confirmation, and it took out the Asian low. Asian low. Alright. If it's taken out the Asian low, it moves to the Asian high. Asian low, Asian high. Alright. That is, if it's at the Asian low and we want to trade to the high, we need to switch to a higher time frame and find a key level. We will start from the 4 hour. It's at the 4-hour chart's support level. It is basically an open candle level. And from the 4 hour, we move to the 1 hour. Also on the 1 hour open candle level. Okay, this is our support zone on the 4 hour, meaning our support zone is an invalid zone. We won't use this. And we have an open candle level right here. And now we will be switching from the 1 hour chart over to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute order block. And we move to the 1 minute. There's an order block on the 1 minute too. Valid order block. And this is inducement. Inducement. Okay, if the market gives confirmation, we enter the trade. Okay, the market is moving from the inducement. Breakout. First confirmation. Second confirmation. The inducement sweep. An inducement. And breakout. This is an invalid order block. Invalid order block. We won't use this. And a valid order block. Valid on block. Hello. And we will trade up to the Asian session. Our take profit is going to be during the Asian trading session. Alright. There's a valid order block, a key level for us to enter a trade. Alright, stop loss, valid low. And take profit. Take profit, Asia high. And take profit. 1 to 12. Risk reward. This is a very great result. And of course, you must enter a trade with confirmation. We're going to have to wait for the first and the second and the third and